Talk a little bit about your design process, working with a designer or an architect, or working directly with a homeowner.
So it's different. When we get plans from designers, from you, a lot of that has been like laid out maybe by you guys or an architect, and they're very general. They're like, here's a closet and here's an L shape. Do something. That L could be, it's just 2 lines on a paper. It's just a symbol, but it doesn't really tell us much other than maybe some basic dimensions. So we have to guess based on experience. If we're looking at doing a bid, to just come up with a preliminary budget number and then see what happens as it develops.
And that's always tough. If you give a baseline and they don't want baseline and then they don't want to pay more, then that's a really kind of...
But that's where we have to back it up with verbiage. So that's what we'll say. This is a shelf and a rod, 3/4 millimeter, because we can't back ourselves into a corner like that, right?
Course.
But we get something nondescript and we try to come back with something very basic nondescript. And when we are given more detailed information, then, we can develop a more comprehensive vision. Once you elevate it, once you start looking at 3D, there are hundreds of combinations of materials, features. Well, you could spend, $600 or $6,000 or $60,000. It really depends on what those 2 lines wind up meaning.